This is the Ashwell Collection. It's made up of easy-to-build, no-cut block projects, including a circle patio, fire pit, and 3 different sizes of sitting walls. All of these projects are sold separately and can be used on their own or combined together to create your own backyard oasis. Each of these projects can be built without cutting a single block, making them the perfect DIY project. It really is that simple. Start by preparing the foundation and leveling it out. Then follow the layer-by-layer instructions and lay out the block, stacking them or gluing them to complete the project. And that's it. Now let's take a closer look at each of these projects in the collection. First, the Ashwell Fire Pit. The fire pit is a popular choice and features a heavy-duty fire ring with a removable grill, so you can cook your favorite campfire treats. At 4 feet 2 inches round, this is the perfect fire pit for most any backyard. The Ashwell sitting walls are available in 3 sizes and are created with the same tumbled Belgian wall blocks we use in all of our no-cut projects. Combined with caps, these walls become a great place to sit and enjoy a fire or provide a great border for your patio. Choose from a half, quarter, or an eighth of a circle in the sizes, or combine all 3 together like we've done here. The Circle Pack patio is easy to install and can be laid without doing a single cut. It's also easy to expand by 1-foot increments to make a larger patio if desired. Learn more about all of our no-cut block projects and patio options at menards.com/blockstore.